Ever hit a digital wall when trying to access your favorite articles on Medium.com? Let's fix that. Step 1 is your internet playing nice? A flaky connection is the most common culprit. Try opening another website if that's also not loading. The issue is likely with your Wi-Fi or your internet service provider. A quick router restart and plug it. Wait 30 seconds and plug it back, and often does the trick. If not, check your ISP's status page or give them a call. Next, let's troubleshoot your browser. Sometimes cached data or extensions can cause conflicts. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. You can usually find this in your browser settings under Privacy or History. Then, try disabling your browser extensions one by one to see if one of them is blocking Medium. If you're still stuck, try accessing Medium in a different browser altogether, like Chrome, Firefox, or AshleyHowTo. See if the problem is specific to your current browser. It's also possible that Medium itself is experiencing technical difficulties. Websites do go down occasionally. A quick way to check this is to visit a website like downdetect.com or simply search on Google for "Is Medium.com down?" If it is, all you can do is wait for their technical team to resolve the issue. Keep checking back periodically. Finally, think about any security software you have. Firewalls or antivirus programs can sometimes be a bit too aggressive and block legitimate websites. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to see if that allows you to access Medium. Remember to re-enable them afterward. If none of these steps work, it might be worth contacting Medium's support directly through their help section for more personalized assistance.